Life with me, Gina Marie. Yes, I made a donut video already. However, good morning. I'm using Swerve this time with my Pillsbury pie crust. Swerve is a Confectioners Sugar, which has 0 calories. And last video, I used monk fruit, which is more like a sugar substance. This is more like a powdered sugar, and you can use it for any kind of baking. It's really unbelievable with 0 calories. So we're still getting the carbs with this, but we're not getting all that extra calories with the sugar on top. I've got my oil heating up, canola oil, and I'm cracking my pie, Pillsbury pie. Well, it's not pie, it's pizza crust. You can use any kind of dough, but I like the Pillsbury pizza crust, which I form into several different shapes every time I make these donuts. This time I'm just going to get a really sharp knife and cut them into sections. I guess this would be a good way if you're making cinnamon rolls with them. You can use the monk fruit and mix it with some cinnamon for some cinnamon rolls. Maybe brush them with butter when they come out. But we're going to use the Swerve. I've cut them into 1-inch sections, and they look like little circles. My other video, I actually punched holes in the dough, rolled it out. You can view that later if you want. I'm adding my canola oil and getting it very, very, very hot. About 1 inch. Don't cover the donuts. Got everything ready to go here. And the oil is bubbling hot, and I'm going to put them all in there, leaving space in between them so they don't crowd. We want them to get golden donuts. They're swelling up. I never tried it this way before. Some of them are coming apart, looking like snakes, but they'll still be good. I think I like cutting them bigger like this because they're fluffier in the middle then. But I'm going to take my time and slowly flip them over and drain them on a rack that has parchment paper underneath the rack on a cookie sheet. I'll drain them there and let them sit and do a second batch. And it goes pretty quick. You can't walk away. Flip them over when they're done, and it happens really quick. So here we go. We get them out and drain them real good on this sheet here on the rack. And I love to make these once in a while. We don't eat all these. There's my Swerve going on top. Actually, I'm giving them all away today to my mother-in-law's house where all the people go. Swerve! Here we are. That's what it is. That's the Confectioners Sugar on top. Watch my other video on how to make these Pillsbury donuts. They're a lot of fun, but don't eat them all, and definitely cut your sugar down. It's better when we're old for our joint pain. LifeWithMeGinaMarie.com. Go there and see my signature hats. I'm on YouTube and Facebook. Please comment, like, and subscribe on YouTube. It's going to be a good year. Strive to be happy.